and I consider myself the epitome of self-motivation, and that's why I have achieved many things in my life. Hey everyone, here this is Sumit and you are watching English Classroom. I hope you all are doing great and learning English language in a very easy way. As per my thumbnail, like 10 years of struggle and 1 year of transformation. I'm going to spill the beans how I had been struggling for 10 years and how I have been improving and transforming myself for 1 year. So in this very video, I'm going to spill the beans how I transformed myself in 1 year. You know friends, 10 years back in 2016, I started teaching in a private school. And that school was situated in a defense area, and it was an army public school. And you know, in that school I had to crack an interview in English, and somehow I cracked that interview. But I was not aware of spoken English, but somebody told me you have to introduce yourself in English, and I introduced myself in English with the help of rote learning, and somehow I cracked that interview. But not only base of this introduction or on the base of this English, I cracked that interview on the base of my qualifications, my education qualifications, because that time I have cleared HTET, CTET and CSB exam for army school. That's why, because of my academic qualifications, I got that job. But you know, real challenges started after my job. You know, I had to teach in English, but I was not able to speak a single sentence in English. And there were many teachers, and they were very fluent in English, because they were from, some of them were from South India, and some of them were from like other states, like eastern part of India, and they were very fluent in in English. Then I thought I can also speak this language and I can learn this language. But I was wrong. 10-15 days I tried, and after that I thought English is not my cup of tea. I can't get a permanent job in this very school, because there are so many fluent speakers. Then my principal ma'am gave me a Hindi subject to teach, and somehow I managed with Hindi. I taught there 6 years, and 10-15 days I started learning English language. But after that I gave up, because English was not my cup of tea. And then I thought, let's try to my hands in other things, and I tried my hands in other things. Like I started preparing for government competitive jobs exams, and finally, by the grace of God, I got selected. And now it's been 4 years I am doing my dream job, and now it's my summer break is going on. That's why I'm in my hometown. If I talk about my workplace, then I work in Rajasthan. Okay, so Rajasthan is my workplace and Haryana is my birthplace. So this was all about my struggle. But you know, it's been like 4 years now I have got my dream job. And last year I thought, why I am falling behind myself because of this English language, and I selected as an English teacher, because I had done my MA in English literature. But you know, I didn't do my MA like with regular study. I completed my MA on correspondence basis, on distance base. And then last year I took this plunge for myself. I thought, let's give it a shot, let's try it again, because nowadays I'm free and I have lots of time to learn this language, because my kids have grown up, and nowadays I have lots of spare time for myself. I'm not saying I'm totally free, because I'm working, so I have to go to school, but like in summer break I'm totally free, so that time I can invest my time on my spoken English journey. Not only that time, I have been consistent in this learning journey. It's been over a year. Okay, and last year I took this plunge for myself and I started learning this language. I am telling you here very like basic and honest things, which techniques I applied to learn this language. I am not born with a silver spoon in my mouth. Whatever I have achieved and whatever I have learned, that I have achieved on the base of my own hard work. So I thought, let's learn this language also, and I started learning this language. Which basic mantras I have been following for 1 year. I'm going to tell you here. First one is like consistency. If we are consistent, we can achieve anything in our life. No, I'm not talking about only this English language. In terms of anything, we can achieve many things in our life if we are consistent. Like every day I listen one conversation video to improve my English. Okay, second thing, I am the epitome of self motivation. I don't look up to others. They will motivate me, and I will get motivation from them, and then I will start something new. Then I will start learning, and I never look up with other people for any motivation, any kind of motivation. In my life, throughout my life, I am self-motivated person, and I consider myself the epitome of self-motivation, and that's why I have achieved many things in my life. Okay, so self-motivation, if we are self-motivated, then we can learn anything, we can do anything. No one can pull us back, only we are the person who can pull us back. Otherwise no one have that power who can pull us back. So if we are self-motivated person, then we can do wonders in our life, and I am happy and content with my English learning journey, and whatever things I have achieved in my life, I am fully happy and satisfied by the grace of God. In anything, wherever I am trying my hands, I get all those things not very easily. I have to put my heart and soul in those things, but at the end of the day, I get all those things by the grace of the God, because God is also watching whatever efforts I am putting, and not only my efforts, everyone's efforts God watch. So I believe in this thing. I am very optimistic person and spiritual also. So that's why if we want to do something in our life, if we truly want to do something in our life, universe also help us to get that things and to achieve that thing. And you know, where if you have that strong desire, then strong willpower, then you can achieve anything. Okay, so you must have heard that proverb, where there is a will, there is a way. So many doors will be opened in front of us if we want to do something in our life. And don't worry about mistake. If you are at beginner level and you are going to start something new, definitely mistakes are inevitable. You know, inevitable means that is mistakes तय हैं, गलतियां तय हैं. So don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are acceptable at beginning level, and learn from your mistakes. Like if you are talking, and when we talk in our mother tongue, that time also we don't speak in pure language. That time also we make mistakes. If that mistakes are acceptable, why not in English? In English also, when we speak in spoken, mistakes are acceptable, but in written English mistakes are not acceptable. If we are writing something, that time people observe our mistakes and they criticize also, and in spoken we can make mistakes, but don't repeat your mistakes. If you are making any mistake today, try to rectify that mistake, and mistake should not be repeated. Okay, these things I wanted to tell you how I started, and I am from Hindi background. If you are still watching my video, then I would like to say thanks to you for giving your precious time. And if you are someone who want to start speaking English language, then just start. Tomorrow never comes. Don't wait for tomorrow. This is the right time, this is the high time, this is the perfect time. Just start from today onwards. No matter how much busy you are, no matter how much you have on your plate, whether you have to bite off more than you can chew, but always show up yourself every day and start working on your dreams. Only then we can do wonders in our life. With this positive note, I am going to wrap up this video. I hope my video is little bit helpful and motivational for you. If it is, then please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning, keep improving. Have a nice day.